Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 physics past question 26. A magnetic needle is suspended first at the Earth's north magnetic pole and at a point on the magnetic equator. The respective angle between the needle and the horizontal are 0 degree and 0 degree, 60 degree and 0 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree, D 90 degree and 0 degree, E 0 degree and 90 degree. Now looking at this, when we are talking about the angle between the Earth's magnetic pole nor any point at the equator to the horizontal, we are trying to talk about the angle of dip. Now angle of dip is defined as the angle between the direction of Earth's resultant magnetic field and the horizontal, and this is angle of dip. So you are actually basically asking us to find the angle of dip between the Earth's north magnetic pole and the horizontal, and that of the magnetic equator to the horizontal. Now angle of dip is 90 degree at the magnetic pole of the Earth. That is, be it north or south, it is 90 degree as the magnetic pole of the Earth, and it is 0 degree as the magnetic equator. Now remember, all this is to the horizontal. So now from the question, we are asked for what? North magnetic pole and magnetic equator respectively. So that will be 90 degree and 0 degree respectively. And I think that is option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.